Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to install those crochet braids. But before I get into that, if you're not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to install this crochet braids without the use of the headband and rubber band. This crochet braid is quite unique. It's kind of out of my comfort zone, but you know what, it's a new year, so I decided to try new things as well. So I tried so many crochet braids. If you follow me, you know I love crochet braids. I've tried a lot of them, especially the short ones, but I decided to change it up a little bit and I decided to try a very long one. As you guys can see, this crochet braid is really long. I am 5'9" tall, and you guys can see how long this crochet braid is on me. Like, it's crazy. It's extremely long, like it's extremely long, and the color is very beautiful. I love the color. So if you're wondering, this crochet braid is from Karida company. I'm gonna put the links and the specs and everything that has to do with this crochet braids in the description box below. I use 5 packs of braids to achieve this style. In one pack you have 17 strands of braids, so you see 17 times 5, so I use 5 packs, you know, to achieve this style, and it's very okay. And honestly, for the length of this crochet braid, you actually think it will be so heavy, but honestly speaking, it's not that heavy. Seriously, it's kind of like unique. I know some people will not like it because of the length, but I know some people will also like it so much because of the length. So I just wanted to show you guys how I was able to install it. I hope you guys enjoy. Now let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the packaging of the braids. So like I said earlier on, I have 5 packs of braids in the bag, and then in each pack I have 17 strands of braids. So I'm going to apply my hair cream on my hair, and then I'm going to do my braiding pattern. So right here I'm done with my braiding pattern. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the crochet. Crocheting it to my hair didn't take much time at all. I think it was about 30 minutes. So now I'm done with the crochet. I'm going to go ahead and apply my edge control. And then I'm going to brush my edges to lay it down, and then I'm going to tie a scarf on it and leave it for about 10 minutes to dry. So right here I'm just applying my oil sheen to, make the root of my hair shinier. And yes guys, this is the final look. I really love this style. It's very, very beautiful. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to support me by liking, subscribing, and also sharing this video, and I will see you guys very soon. Thank you all so much for your love and support. Bye.